Hi, this is Matt Jubo, mortgage agent for Mortgage Alliance, and today I just wanted to give you a brief overview of some different mortgage rates, how mortgage rates are working in 2017, and how they will change over the next few years. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, just looking at an overall picture easily that we can see that our lowest possible interest rate is with MCAP at 2.25%, and that's on the 5-year variable. Now, digging deep, everybody's situation is different. Everything changes for person to person, so this best rate may not necessarily reflect the rate you would get for your particular financial situation. So we're going to dig into why that is and what the difference is and how the rates change based on your own particular financial situation. So first of all, this is a 2.25 5-year variable rate. It's a limited feature mortgage, which basically means if you want to switch lenders prior to the end of the 5-year term, you can't do it. You can only sell the house. Otherwise, you have to keep your mortgage with MCAP for the full 5 years. You need a minimum credit score of 600 or above. And also there's a few ratios involved on it. We have a couple of different lenders around the same. The problem with this is it is an insured mortgage, so you must pay the mortgage insurance premium or have a high ratio purchase to be able to get this low interest rate. But generally speaking, it is available to everybody if you're willing to pay the insurance premium. Now, let's dive into a couple of different situations, and we'll see how it looks. Now, generally speaking, it's about a 50-50 split between people who are getting 5-year fixed and 5-year variables. So we'll just focus on the 5-year terms for now. So looking at a 5-year fixed rate, lowest right now is 2.97. That's coming from Lendwise. That is a full featured mortgage. That is not a limited mortgage. The second lowest rate at 2.99 is a limited feature mortgage. Now, these are all for owner-occupied purchases. However, if we do an owner-occupied refinance, the rate goes up considerably. So the rate would now go up from 2.97 to 3.14, starting with at that rate with Manulife, requiring a minimum credit score of 700 or better. If your credit score is a bit lower, we have down here Scotiabank starting at 3.44%. So the rates are quite a bit higher. Now, if you want to extend to a 30-year, you can still do that and get the Manulife 3.14 5-year fix. If you want to go to a 35-year amortization, which is still available in some courses, we do have a couple of different options available for that. On the 35-year amortization, the rates start at 4.04 on the refinance and 3.94 on the 5-year fix. Now, if we dive into the variable instead of the fixed, if we're still looking at 35-year, 5-year variable starts at 3.35. The refinance is 3.4. If we drop down to 30 years, on a refinance it's 2.8. On a 5-year variable purchase, it's 2.7. And then if we go down to a 25-year for a 5-year variable, it starts at 2.45, and a refinance starts at 2.7. So there's a lot of different scenarios available for everybody's particular financial situation. The best rates right now you're looking at for purchases with a 5% down payment, you're going to get the absolute best rates. The rates that are seeing the worst are a 20% down payment refinance, so 80% refinance. So that's what you're looking at in terms of the range. If you are able and willing to pay the insurance premium on a low ratio or conventional deal, there is some benefits to doing that in terms of the rates. So if we're looking at shorter terms, usually the 3-year term is a little bit better for fixed rates. So let's look into that. If you're looking at 3-year fixed for a purchase with a 25-year amortization, rates start at 2.84. If you're looking at a 30-year amortization, it goes up to 3.14. Now, if you're looking into rental properties and you're looking into 5-year fixed rate terms, start at 3.49 on a 25. On a 30-year, they're also 3.49. If you're looking into variable, 2.85 for the 30-year amortization, and the 25 years 2.85 as well. So there are quite a few good options available still, even though the rates have increased quite a bit. There's still some definitely good opportunities if you do have additional debt and you're looking at refinancing into your mortgage, getting some better rates. It's definitely still a good time to do so. So as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll talk soon.